Find out what is the education, what was the educational qualifications of Gyani Zail Singh? What are the educational, what are the educational qualifications of Kamraj who achieved so much? And show me one. You quote the constitution. The people voted you out.
By saying that we are not saying
the people voted you out.
Criterion to decide upon the competence
people
of a
voted
person.
you out because
I began this debate by this particular statement.
Ragini,
you're completely ignoring
Ragini,
it.
You know
you're
what?
giving your
now,
own interpretation, your
Ragini,
own distorted logic.
Arnab, I have great love for Ragini, respect for Ragini, and she should empathize with Simriti. Ragini should empathize with Simriti. Ragini has also emerged as a young spokesperson, and she's showing her caliber, and countries liking her. The party should like her and give her better opportunities to emerge as a good leader, as a good young woman. And if Simriti has been given this opportunity, she should clap and appreciate that. She should appreciate Narendra Modi for giving Simriti such an opportunity, and I hope Ragini gets an opportunity like that in future.
The qualities that Srimati Irani has.
How many times did Rahul Gandhi said he wants to empower women?
I'm not denying all the qualities.
How many times did Rahul Gandhi said he wants to empower women?
No,
right? He told you he wants to empower women. No.
According to Ragini, 1 second, 1 minute. Don't. According to Ragini,
I'm an example.
According to Ragini, 1 minute, please.
I got an opportunity to be here and debate it out with you. I also come from a very humble background.
Ragini, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. I'm requesting you. When Rahul Gandhi said, "I want to empower women,"
age of 17,
that's why we appreciate you, Ragini. We appreciate you.
When Rahul Gandhi said, "I want to empower women,"
did
Rahul Gandhi mean
women are not getting opportunity in the Congress party just because we've lost one election?
Listen, Ragini,
listen. You must learn to listen.
Listen, Ragini, it's a good quality. You see, when Rahul Gandhi said, Chetan Bhagat, you add that point, that Rahul Gandhi said, "I want to empower women." On a lighter note, maybe Rahul Gandhi meant, "I want to empower postgraduate women." And where is the rule in the Constitution of India which says that you have to be a postgraduate to be HRD minister? Rashid, why is Ragini doing this today? Why is the Congress party doing this? Have they been painted into a corner?
Aggression.
Ragini is not doing it. It's the Congress party. They don't understand the country.
See, they will get plenty of time. HRD is one portfolio.
The people of this country has changed.
In which the essence of the message cannot be delivered properly. But you're not going to focus on the press conference. You will have your own logic. You will drive
Ragini, you please understand.
You want to drive it in a particular direction.
Rashid is saying something. Rashid.
See, Ragini, you should be saying a lot of other things. You see, you should be saying who started all this issue about educational qualification. It was Madhu Kishwar who started it. Earlier, it was Dr. Subramaniam Swamy used to raise about Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi. If educational qualification and political career is irrelevant, you should take that line and attack. And as far as Smriti is concerned, as far as
why are you giving Ragini tips?
Is concerned. Yeah, you see, I feel sorry because I'm saying the Congress party should wait. Congress should wait. No, Arnab, as a journalist, we always give free advice. See, what I'm saying is the Congress will get plenty of opportunity because HRD, anybody knows, Mr. Shai Siddiqui knows very well. This is not a ministry which, it's easy to handle. There will be a lot of opportunities for Congress to criticize. Only point I see is about perhaps any kind of discrepancy that is there in an affidavit that I cited Sonia Gandhi in no example. At that time, country accepted it. That okay, there was a clerical error and it was, it was accepted. So Congress should not at this point of time start on a bad note and do this misplaced aggression. It is not going to help them.
It's looking bad. I can only say it's looking very bad. Yes, Smriti. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you want to respond to Ragini? Yes, go ahead.
Actually, this is the self-goal. Of course, this is a self-goal. What Congress is doing, because first they were unable to gauge the mood of the people, then the ground realities of the politics. Because of this, despite having one of the best resumes, academic resumes, Dr. Manmohan Singh failed. And on the other hand, a petty chaiwala, as adjective was given by Mr. Manishankar Iyer, he has done wonders in Gujarat. And now, even if they are unable to understand the Indian tradition of education and culture, I am not quoting any leader. I am quoting those people on which the thesis and PhDs are done. I am quoting the name of Hindi poets Sur, Kabir and Tulsi, and all were illiterate as per the modern parameters. But they are being taught in the textbook and the PhD thesis are being done on them. Because in Indian tradition, wisdom is different and literature is different.
Well
I would
said.
like to quote one thing. In 1945, let me complete one thing. In 1945, when Human Rights Commission was being formed, a letter came to Mahatma Gandhi. It was given by Julian Huxley. When he wrote back the letter, there is a line in this letter that my illiterate but wise mother has told me. Note the sentence, my illiterate but wise mother has told me. It means literacy is different and wisdom is different. That's why in Indian tradition, the name of convocation is Dikshant Samaro, not Shikshant Samaro. Shiksha and Diksha are two different things. You study the society, you study their tradition, you study something, the wisdom will emerge in you. This is altogether different tradition which I am unable to understand, that they are not able to apprehend not only politics, psychology and culture and tradition of India.
Sudhanshuji, I'm taking a break, but I'm now going to take the discussion to a slightly broader level. And Ragini, don't react. You see what has happened, Ragini, is that this country has changed. Now, there was a ruling elite which felt that you have to go to a particular school in Dehradun and then go to a particular college in Delhi University to be anyone worthwhile. I'm not mentioning any school or college. It's anybody's guess. It is my question as I come out of the other side of the break is this sense of entitlement. You know, we are the lords of this country and everyone else is a petty citizen. This approach, is it going to hurt those who believe in it? I just want to quote this kind of snobbery that was exhibited in a letter written by Manishankar Iyer. You know, a man on whose words many a spoof can be written. Manishankar Iyer took on Ajay Makan when Ajay Makan had blamed Manishankar Iyer for playing an obstructionist role that eventually led to huge cost and time overruns in the Commonwealth Games. What did Manishankar Iyer write? Which explains this elitist, snobbish, we are above you, you know, mindset. He said, a BA pass graduate from Hansraj College, which by the way is a very good college of Delhi University. Some cutoffs in Hansraj College are greater than those of St. Stephen's.
Yes.
He says a BA pass graduate from Hansraj College could not write the kind of words used in the letter. Firstly, we have to establish the authenticity of this letter. It contains words like dichotomous, which I cannot believe a BA pass from Hansraj College would know. Look at the level of foolish, self-serving, unbelievable, shallow, hollow, unacceptable snobbery. Now my question, which I will raise when I come out on the other side, is there is a new India which has taken over, you see. And these people who have this kind of snobbery are relics from the past. Should the Congress party realize that what Shahid Siddiqui calls a self-goal is perhaps a self-goal of those people who are questioning the new India while holding on to the relics of the past. I'm coming back on the other side of the break. This debate is only warming up.